Hi, my name is Kevin Wiens. I'm the manager of the materials group here at Liburdi. Welcome to the Liburdi Met Lab. Our topic for today is full solution rejuvenation. When we examine blades removed from the hot section of the gas turbine, we find that they have undergone degradation due to high temperature exposure. With each service interval, we find that the strength of the material, expressed as stress rupture life, is gradually degraded. Allowed to continue, this would eventually lead to catastrophic results. Full solution rejuvenation resets the creep life of the component, allowing it to remain in service for additional service intervals. So what is full solution rejuvenation actually doing to the material? Heat and stress cause two main detrimental effects in the blade alloy in service. First, simple overaging or softening of the microstructure. And second, creep damage in the form of physical changes to the blade itself. Full solution rejuvenation is really a two-step process to reverse both of these effects. First, heat treatments are used to dissolve and regrow the strengthening precipitates to their original size and annihilate dislocation accumulations. Second, hot isostatic pressing collapses creep voids that have accumulated in the blade. The cost savings of avoiding replacement blades are of tremendous value to operators of all turbines. By applying full solution rejuvenation at appropriate intervals, we can effectively eliminate creep as a retirement cause. If you'd like to learn more, contact Liburdi today. I'm Kevin Wiens, thanks for watching.